How to fix orange screen of death on Windows. 1. Remove the Soft OSD app and do it display. 2. Update your graphics card drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Plan B, roll back your graphics driver. 3. Run edit/set default. But manipulate a legacy command as admin. 4. Reset the game configuration. File settings to default. 5. Update Intel Graphics Command Center. 6. Reboot your computer. 7. Unplug new peripheral devices. Notes: 1. You may need to reset GPU and RAM. 2. Remove some multimedia devices in devices and printers. 8. Disable your overclocking software. 9. Reset BIOS configuration to factory settings. 10. Update BIOS. 11. Clean boot Windows. Notes: 1. You would need to uninstall suspicious software like third-party applications and heavy programs. 2. You may need to change the antivirus software you are using. 12. Uninstall recent Windows. Updates. 13. Use system restore. 14. Check your disk space. 15. Use SFC, System File Checker, DISM and CHKDSK. Commands include, sfc/online/cleanupimage/check-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-help-dism/online/cleanupimage/restore-help-dism/restore-help/source-wim-x Run a malware scan using the recommended Avast Internet Security in this video guide. 17. Use Blue Screen View and Event Viewer. 18. Reset reinstall your system. 19. Optimize your PC for lowering temperature. 20. Perform Windows Update. 21. Set 1 to disable HW acceleration dword at HKey_current_user software Microsoft Avalon.graphics in registry editor. Save then reboot your PC. Similarly, disable Google Chrome acceleration as well.